My name is Kazim Ajaza Adio, former Ikorodu United Chairman supporter, now Dreamstar Chairman supporter. That's it. Popularly called Ozone. So many things involved. Apart from being a social person with the player, being a very nice person to the teams and the management, it's also bring your passion out. You know, football is not all money. But at times, when you are doing something and then you enjoy what you are doing, with the help of small mobilization, you can go places. Let's go, boys! Let's go, boys! Let's go! On you! Look up! Check your side. Inside the net. They go.
So if they score, you will call the heart.
Oh no! Why now? That's I keep my finger closed.
All I introduce you.
I keep my finger closed until I'm officially unveiled. Until I'm officially unveiled, then people will know. But with the help of what I've done, with my record, it's not my power, but people who love me, who is solid behind me, know I am the one that can do it. There are a lot of tasks ahead, a lot of people that come from behind that they want to enter, but for the love people the love people have for me, they stick by me and they say I am the right person for the job. So I thank all my lovers that they are behind me. So that opportunity come and I grab it. Okay, I'm married with one son, 2 daughters. I don't agree with that. There's a lot of how can I put a lot of amendment that should be made. Let's say initially we have one team, one supporter, but now things have changed. There are some that call them authentic supporter. In the flying wheel I'm talking, there's another supporter that they are from Rafiu Ladipo. There's this one from the yellow man himself, call himself authentic. So when we have one team, we need to have one supporter. The house should not be divided. I don't know. Initially, the day of Green Eagles, I know what I'm talking about. But now things have changed dramatically in our society. This one say they follow Baba. This one they follow this one. There are another one they say they follow one woman from that Igbo side. I don't know. So and then here in Lagos, supporter, I don't know. We are not doing it as supposed to do it. Things is not done the way it's supposed to be. Supporter should be hard fans, hard die supporter. Whether they are losing, they are winning, you should try to mobilize the team and carry them along. But things have changed. Maybe because of money, I don't know. So there are a lot of things that are supposed to be corrected.
Okay, should supporter be paid to support a team that they love?
Initially, supporters are not paid. It's the supporter that normally put whatever they have for the team, for the player, but things have changed now because of the poor economy we have in Nigeria. Because of things are not done in the way it should be done in Nigeria. It has changed. It is now, so the supporter is now dependent on the team, not team depend on the supporter.
The team that is supporting the supporter.
The team that is supporting the supporter instead of the supporter to be supporting the team. So this I've done, and the team are now trying to know that everybody love money. It is money they can use to to ginger them or to bring them back to stadium to support them. So they need to give them something so that that one will serve as mobilization.
Thank you very much.
you are highly welcome. My sport 24/7 server. God bless you.
24/7, not